Simple drain step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Measure the hose length. Add 3 convolutions before trimming. Step 2. Trim hose. Only trim in valley of hose. Step 3. Connect fitting. Pull 1 convolution through fitting. Step 4. Thread to waste. Step 5. Connect to drain and tighten clamp. Fits 1.5 or 1 1/4 inch tailpipes. Step 6. Connect trap loop. Line up the loop with the bottom of the waistline and use the depth gauge on the loop to create the trap. Check for leaks and tighten connections as needed. Simple drain. 1 bag, 1 trip. Built tough. Made in the USA.